Congress got a wake-up call on automation this week. In testimony before the Joint Economic Committee, StandardBot's CEO Evan Beard didn't mince words. He told lawmakers that American factories had essentially no American-made industrial robots, and that foreign systems are still too expensive, too complex, and too limited for manufacturers trying to stay competitive. His solution: a national robotics strategy that includes manufacturing excellence centers, a retooled loan program, and real investment in workforce talent. Beard's company recently debuted a 30-kilogram, 2-meter reach robot now used by Lockheed Martin, Verizon, and even NASA. But he warned that without a coordinated national plan, the US risks falling behind countries that already treat robotics as critical infrastructure.